Hello guys, this is Mike Chara with Team Microhub here. As you know, we are customized PCBA test fixture manufacturer and we are providing test fixture in India as well as out of India. So today we are going to give you very brief about that test fixture. This is a continuity test fixture. It is going to test the PCBA continuity, and as you see that we have developed customized Qt based desktop applications to take the data from this particular fixture, and we are going to print that particular data on one slip. So at the end, user is going to get the print on one slip and the analysis of the particular PCBA. So let's start today's video, and please watch full video so you will get an idea how we are going to open this fixture. So what inside electronics we have utilized, you are going to come to know that also. So let's start today's video in very detail and give you a brief about that test fixture. So as I said that this is a continuity test fixture, so we have make the bed of nail on particular points of the PCB, and we are going to test that particular this test point is connected with the second test point or not, and we are going to give the pass and fail notification on Qt application, and we are going to give the signals like there are multiple connectors are available on the PCBA, and like you can see a J20.1 is connected with J12.1 or not. We are passing a 3.3 volt and taking a data whether on this particular test point these connections are coming or not, and likewise on 17 points we are taking this data. So if you do this kind of task manually, what will happen, it is going to take lots of time and lots of efforts to test that. You will not get the accurate data because it is a main generated data, not a system generated data. So very there will be a chances of error. You need to have the skillful person where they need to sit, or quality engineer, they need to sit on and check with the multimeter that particular data is coming or not. And the productivity in per day, you will check the how many PCBs you can check. It will take approximately 15 to 20 minutes to check the one PCB and generate the data accordingly. After that, you need to log a data on Excel file. So this kind of issues our MSME and EMS suppliers are getting, and we are manufacturing a custom made lots of different types of fixtures like to measure the voltage, measure the frequency, measure the current, and lots of different types of parameter we are measuring automatically, giving the data on the system, generating the Excel file for future analysis purpose, and printing that data on printer if required for future purpose. So we'll check all the data whether the continuity is coming or not. So we have established one embedded system inside, which is connected through the pogo when it is connected to our embedded system, where our microcontroller is going to take the data from that voltage and IDC points, and it is going to give that data through the UART communication to our customized desktop application, where our customized desktop application is going to give the pass fail notification for the user analysis purpose, and it is going to also count how many PCBs are failed and how many PCBs are passed, and it is going to print the like what kind of printing you want on particular slip. You will get the time and date stamp also. So in particular one day how many PCBs are tested, we will come to know. So this is going to take on hardly a 1 minute of task for any user to test this PCB. So in a particular day, if you come to know, the ROI of system is going to give you it's approximate 8 to 10 months of ROI of this particular test fixer. So let's take a practical trial on that. I could not show you the PCB because we have signed lots of agreements with the companies, so we cannot show you the PCB. Yeah, but we can show you the activity of the particular system. So I'll just put a PCB here. You can just take a zoom look on to the application, so our customer will come to know how exactly our data is going to be generated. So here I'm going to close the toggle clamp. So I'm just putting PCB here. Now I'm going to close the toggle, uh, and I'm going to have the start button clicking event. So I'm going to start this. So you can see the speed of data generation and speed and accuracy of the system, how fast it is working. So it's hardly taking a 10 second of time. I'm just removing the UT. I'm just going to close the I'm taking retest on that. So hardly taking a 10 second of time, you can see a counter increasing, and I'm taking a third test on same PCB. So I'm getting the results perfectly as required. And if I'm going to remove this particular PCB and trying to generate data, it is going to give you a false data. Let's try this, like means it is going to give you a data like it is not connected, so we'll get to know that. So right now PCBs, we didn't put any PCB here, and taking the data, so data, it is saying that it is not connected, and in this giving a perfect data as required. I'm just going to open this, and you can, with the fixer, you can show this, like when I'm going to close this particular system, it is going to generate the data that our PCB is not, particular connector is not connected this point on to the connection. So this kind of system Microhub is making, and making lots of customized test fixture for different kinds of parameters and different kinds of PCBs. So let's go inside the fixer. Before going inside the fixer, I will just show you how we are making this aluminum base. This is a toggle clamp. This is a 4 plus 4 8 bearing system. This is a bed of nail is on FR for ESD safe material. This is also ESD safe material. We are making very rigid system, and lots of customer has tested this structure 50,000 plus time to their utility and getting perfect result. So the very low maintenance point on this kind of fixture, there is no any issues onto the mechanism, perfectly matching of the poco pins with the particular PCB as coming. You can see accuracy of the drilling, because we have in-house mechanical setup also with the all the machines required. We have in-house mechanical designer team, electrical, electronics, software development team, all the teams are inside only. So we have one stop, we are a one-stop solution for any kind of test systems required at any product, or the any PCB or any end product. So let's go inside, so we'll get an idea how exactly we are manufacturing this kind of system. So I'm just going to open this. I just need to check whether it is open or not. I'm just opening this. Yeah. So you can see a very compact electrical and electronics. You can see a micro here also. So these are custom PCB made for this fixture, and we are making this kind of PCBs for the any kind of test fixture, and providing you the perfect and very neat and clean solutions for that. So if you have any such kind of requirement, uh, even if you want to send this data on cloud, we are having lots of fixtures which are sending that cloud data to the cloud and MES servers. So we can provide this kind of service to you also. So if you have any such kind of requirement, you can just contact Micro, or you can just visit our website, and our you can have the just, you can just drop the mail. Our application SGR will come in touch with you and understand your requirement, and will fulfill your requirements as per the requirement. So thank you guys for watching us. Please like, share, subscribe our channel, so we'll also get the motivation on that. And we are getting lots of orders from the YouTube, so thank you YouTube for that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you very much.